Rainbow, wake up, Rainbow. It's me. I need you to get a message to my people. Time is winding down. All the signs indicating my return is at hand. There's nothing else left for me to do. So I need you to tell my people this.
Warn my people about these last days. Satan got them dumbed down, chasing cheese through a maze, thinking that paper chase leads to eternal life. What they fail to realize, cash will never pay the price.
Never.
Price paid a long time ago. I became the substitute. I ain't talking sweet and low. I ain't talking equal either. Yep, I'm the highest plane creator of this universe. Yet my people's gone insane, claiming that they love me, but they ain't mine. Since Adam bit the apple, I don't get that FaceTime. You read my word, flip the script, use it out of context, claiming that you're gods unto yourselves. Nonsense. Now they doing battle rapping in my son's name. That world system got them trapped. Who's to blame? To all my soldiers spitting heat. Take a stand. A house divided against itself will never stand. Soul winning top priority. Keep that heat. But if it ain't about this ministry, no three-peat. That's why I spit it 100 till my final breath. Wake up, church, it's either life or death.
Rainbow, you got that? Alright, now I need you to get Baltimore a message from me. Okay, write this.
Baltimore, take a look at us. Black on black crime is out of hand, it's ridiculous. We made our voices heard with that Freddie Gray, yet we stay silent with the murders that be day to day. Where all the pastors at, now the streets need you home. Forget them cameras, man, show up in the danger zones. That's where the real work, get the blood, sweat, and tears. Don't get it twisted, sir, the hood's been that way for years. Do you really care, or is it just a front? Too many young lives snuffed out, that's why I'm blunt. It's time to start seeing churches in the hood. And I ain't talking about them buildings, understood? It's time to meet the needs first, then we plant them seeds. And when you think they ain't listening, man, they taking heed.
Yes, they are.
That's how we let them streets know we really care. We more than stiff suits blowing hot air.
Oh, they real, son.
It's time to strap it up for the youth's sakes. I'm calling all OGs before it's too late.
Listen up.
We gotta put the work in now while it's time left.
Let's go.
Wake up, be more, it's either life or death.